Welcome, friends. Welcome to Pizza of the Week. Every week we're going to be doing a pizza for the next little while, and we're going to be cooking it in our wood-fired clay brick pizza oven, which is already rolling outside. I've got the fire going. I've got it all squared away. Now we're going to make the pizza. So this dough that I've got ready here is our sourdough pizza dough, and you can look for that recipe. I'll link to it somewhere around us. And for the first pizza, I thought I'd make what is essentially our favorite Friday night pizza. So I've got a floured board, and I take the dough, put it into the flour, and then I turn it over into the flour again. And you want to make sure that the bottom side of your pizza ball or your dough ball is always on the bottom. And you want to make sure that it is on the bottom when you put it into the pizza oven. So I just dimple around the outside, and I don't get too fancy with my pizza spreading technique. Just sort of spread it out slowly, and don't push into this ring around the outside too much. You want to make sure that it still has a lot of air into it. Now this is dough that's been in the fridge fermenting for 3 days, so it should be nice and it'll stretch itself. Look at that. It will pretty much stretch itself. You don't have to be fancy. And I put a little bit of flour on my peel, just so it doesn't stick. Spread it out, and I build my pizza on the peel because I'm not very good at getting it off the counter once I've got all of the toppings on it. It doesn't have to be perfectly round. Now, these are our favorite pizza ingredients. We start off just with tomato. This isn't tomato sauce, this is just crushed tomato. I kind of like the bright flavor. Next are onions. Spread those around. Hot peppers. Mushrooms. A little bit of basil. And some hot pepperoni. And the last thing is some cheese. Now we sort of go back and forth between fresh mozzarella and this more dry sort of pizza cheese. Kind of depends on your own preference, whatever you like. Really, it's your pizza. And I don't hold to any sort of pizza conventions. So, out to the wood-fired oven. So the oven's all fired up, it's hot. Shake it off. This is where I switch to a metal peel, and I use something called a pizza popper so I can turn the pizza around. I think we are done. Looks good.
Ooh.
Just in time for the pizza of the week. So this is basically the one that we have every week.
A classic for us.
Fresh out of the wood oven. And I'm getting better at the wood oven. I mean, I'm still not.
Well, did you have to put in a sacrificial one first?
I didn't this time.
Wow.
So I'm getting better with my temperature control.
In the past, the first one that went in, flames. It was great.
Yeah. So temperature control and practice is something. But as soon as you get the hang of it, 3 or 4 pizzas in, you're going to have something that's amazing. So
I expect it to be good.
It's still.
How hot is it?
It's still.
Am I going to burn the top of my mouth?
Still probably too hot.
Mm-hmm. The crust.
This is the sourdough crust.
Okay, that would explain that it's got that.
And
Very good.
So the sourdough crust combined with 3 days in the fridge for that long, slow ferment, you get a really flavorful, really nice crust. And so this is also just regular Canadian bread flour. I didn't go for the highfalutin 00 Italian pizza flour. This is your regular, and it pulls really nicely, shapes really nicely, tastes great. I don't know that the extra money's worth it for the extra flour.
Fair enough.
So this is the first pizza in our Pizza of the Week series. And we're going to explore a whole bunch of different kinds of pizzas in that wood-fired pizza oven. Dessert pizzas. I don't think dessert pizzas get enough love. We're gonna give some love to the dessert pizza.
Very good. And of course, we have a bias in what we eat. But if
Yeah.
you have something interesting that you like on pizza,
Tell us in the comments
Let us
below
know.
what you like to have on pizza. We've had pizza all over the world. Pizza in Sri Lanka was amazing.
yeah, it was.
The pizza in Hong Kong was good, but fish sauce on pizza wasn't to my taste. Didn't really, but pizza everywhere has been fantastic. So tell us what you like on your pizza. Put it in the comments below. And also, if you can come up with a better name for this series than Pizza of the Week, let us know too. Maybe we'll use it. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.